Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll discuss about 5 crypto tips what will be very helpful for you before trading, because a lot of people are interested now today coming to the trading market, especially in crypto trading. But the crypto trading is not like the other trading, like forex trading or the stock trading. Crypto trading is becoming very risky today, so we have to think the what is the important factor and what's are the wrong factor for crypto trading. Okay, so let's see some factor. First one is risk management. We know how risky is investing in crypto, but a lot of people don't understand that. They just think this is just invest and earn a lot of money, so they are investing all of their money in crypto trading. So that became very hard for them when they lost the money. So before starting your crypto trading journey, just always try to keep in your mind that you have to manage your risk, because if you can't manage your risk, your entire money will be gone. Number two is diversify your crypto portfolio. So the diversification is very important in any kind of stock trading. It may be forex stock trading, it may be in stock investment, or it may be real estate investment. In every sector, diversification is very important. So that's why don't buy the Ethereum or Bitcoin. There are a lot of crypto in the market. So try to find out some good cryptocurrency and diversify your crypto portfolio. That will be very important and helpful for you to earning from this kind of cryptocurrency business. The number three is be in it for the long term. Yeah, cryptocurrency is prices uh, becoming very low and high, but if you keep it for long term, it will be very helpful for you, because in the long term, if you see the stock market, who keep for long term, they are always, or maximum time, the possibility to win is very high. So try to buy cryptocurrency and wait some days, some couple of years, then it will be profitable for you. So don't, yeah, daily trading is okay, but try to keep some for long term. Okay, that will be very safe journey for you. Number three is use trading bots. Trading bots is becoming very popular. A lot of bot in market. They becomes very easier for trading. So try to find out some bots, like in Binance. You will find some bot who automatic buying, automatic selling. Okay, when price will be high, when you should short sell, or you know the risk management you can do with your bots. So do this. And last thing is have a good strategy for crypto trading. Don't just come and buy and sell or see this. Okay, try to have a good plan or strategy regarding cryptocurrency trading. So make a big plan for long term, when you should buy, what the amount you should spend in your uh, your savings, what kind of savings you will invest, how many money you will invest in this trading. Just keep it in mind, and a good strategy will helpful for bring good success in your business. Try to keep it up. Okay, this is for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, take care.